today's episode, we will be focusing on the input function in Python. The input function allows a user to insert a value into a program by way of a variable. The input function also returns a string value that can convert into other data types. Let's take a look at how inputs are used in the PyCharm IDE. In this example, we will create a variable and name it myInput with an underscore separating the words. We will then equate our variable to an input function, and inside of the function's parentheses, we will ask the user what is their name. Now, we will use the print function to print out the value given to the input by the user. By using the plus symbol, we can add how my name is plus my input. When executed, as you can see, you are asked what is your name. We're going to put PySociety. The string plus the my input value is displayed. In some cases, you might have to change the data type from a string, which is started with str, to an integer, which is started with int, or a float, which is started with the word float. If you found this video in any way helpful, make sure to follow the PySociety on Twitter, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications.